is my tote bag of magic. It's a tote bag, yes. So, you guys ready for some magic tonight? Awesome. Okay. First things first. Now, I know you're wondering, what's that message in the bottle there? And I could show you right now, but you'd be like, oh, yeah, that's cool. Okay, nice. But I'm going to show it to you later, and it's going to be like, whoa, man, that's crazy. So just be patient, just keep an eye on it. It's just going to hang out right there, okay? So for my first trick, I wanted to do something a little exciting. It's a little daring, with a little dash of dangerous thrown in there, okay? So I'm going to need a volunteer. A volunteer, so just raise your hand, someone. I can't really see. Okay, right here. Come on. Okay, just come around over here. So I have here, just stand right here. I have here some styrofoam cups. Very simple. There, you can get them from CVS. That's where I got mine, so I'm just going to line them up right up there. And I also have here, from my little thing of magic, a little piece of cardboard with stuff in it. What are those? They're nails. Now, can you feel them? Just tap them. Are they sharp? You think they could hurt a little? Okay, so I'm going to put this right there next to you. Is that okay? Okay, what I want you to do is I want you to select one of these cups. One of them. This one. Are you sure? Really?
Yes.
Okay, so go ahead and just pick that cup up. And I want you to stick that little piece of cardboard with the nails facing up, and to go ahead and pick up the piece, actually. Pick up the cardboard. Yeah, and just stick it inside. It should fit nice and snugly so it won't fall out. Yeah, just like that. Excellent. So you can slide it around like that. And go ahead and put it back there. So I'm going to turn around. And I want you to mix up these cups. And line them up kind of like this when you're done, and just let me know. So you good with that? Okay. It's okay, guys. It's going to be all right. Don't worry. Okay, I'm going to turn around. Go ahead and do it and tell me when you're done.
Yes, yes!
Okay, you good?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Now, have you ever heard of the term, like, people having energy or auras or whatnot? Yeah, people kind of familiar with that. Well, you picked that cup, you've imparted some of that aura onto it, okay? So I'm going to try to figure out which one that is just based on that. So you put out your hand like this. It's okay, I'm just going to hold it. So I'm going to try to figure out which cup it is, okay? I got 50-50 chance now. Hey, P equals MD. And the nails are still in there? There we go. Thank you, guys. Okay. So some of you know that I do a little magic around in our breaks and whatnot to kill time. And you know I do a lot of card magic, so I wanted to do a little card trick for you guys, if that's all right with you. So I got my deck of cards here. Don't worry, I'll do it so that people in the back can enjoy it as well. So I'm going to need another volunteer to come on, someone. I can't really see, so I'm just gonna point here. Okay, you can just stand right over here. We'll do this nice up in front. Okay, so I'm just going to riffle through the deck like this, and I want you to say stop wherever, okay? Okay?
Stop.
Right there?
Yep.
You don't want to go any further?
That's good.
That's good?
Yep.
Okay, take that card.
Right.
Top one, right there. Take a look at it. You can go ahead and show it to the people in front row if they can see and whatnot.
What's it?
You got it?
Hold on, I'm showing them.
Okay.
Best part.
Okay. So we're going to just put it right back on top.
Okay.
Simple like that. Okay, so we're just going to shuffle the deck a little bit. Just pretty simple. Just to make sure it's a little mixed up, okay? Now I'm going to need another volunteer.
This guy.
I can't see. Over that way. Yeah, we can't see anything. Awesome. Okay, come on up. So you just stand up. Awesome. Nice. Okay. So, do you know what this is?
Looks like a ballpoint pen.
It's a ballpoint pen. I want you to hold on to this for me, and you'll know what to do with it when I tell you to do that thing I'm going to tell you to do. Oh, you already messed up. Come on.
It's a lot of pressure.
I know. Okay, so I want you to hang on to this for me. Just make sure I can't get to that card. So I have over here some balloons. A balloon. And so I want you to stab it right in the center there, okay? Go ahead and stab it.
This is awesome.
I know, right?
No.
Is your card the 8 of clubs?
It was the 8 of clubs.
So I know some of you guys, after the show or whatever, are going to come up and be like, how'd you do that type of thing, right? Or you're going to Google it, which Google is the worst when it comes to magic tricks and keeping your secrets. So I'm actually just going to beat you guys to the punch, and I'm thinking about teaching you guys this trick tonight. Would you guys like to learn a little magic? So I'm going to teach you guys how to do this trick. So the first thing you want to do is you get yourself a sucker, like I did. And you're just going to have them riffle through any deck of cards you have and have them pick up a card. In this case, it was the 8 of clubs. And you have them put it on top, just like that. Okay? And then you're going to seemingly shuffle the cards when in fact you're just pulling off cards below the top card there.
Wow.
Right? So it's I know, amazing, incredible. It's just on top the entire time. You never even know it. So then you gotta find another sucker, right? And you give them the pen, or borrow a pen from someone, and and then what you want to do is you draw attention back to the cards here. But what you've already done is actually palmed it off in your hand over here. So then, the rest is easy. And I'm going to use a clear balloon this time so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Right there. So just along the sides, like that. I know, right? It's pretty simple. You can shake it around and move around, and then they just pop the balloon and it falls out. I know, it's... When you pop the balloon, it looks like it's in it, but it just falls out, okay? It's pretty simple. It's right there on the side. You just push the card against it, and if you push hard enough, when it pops, it'll just fall out of the balloon. Magic's not for everyone. How many of you wish that you didn't know the secret to this trick? Few people out there wish that you still had the mystery of magic in there. And that's what it's about, knowing, not knowing how it's done. So here, I have a little gift for you guys, because if you watch closely, the card will actually melt near the top. Okay. I hope you guys are enjoying this so far, yeah? So once again, I like using volunteers. So who here has like an iPhone or something like that? iPhone? Right here? Okay, come on up. Oh, you lost it? Okay, someone else. It's okay. I can't see, but I hear shouting over there. What's your name? What is it? Godly? Oh, nice. Okay, so you got a nice phone going on. You have a calculator on that phone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I go ahead and see can you go ahead and open up and bring up the calculator? Oh, awesome, awesome. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to enter in a few numbers, and we're going to multiply them together, okay? Does that sound all right with you?
Sounds okay.
Okay. Okay, so for instance, as an example, this is my birthday, or my birth year, 1991. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Nice, awesome. Okay, and then you enter in the number and just hit the multiplication button like that. Okay? So why don't you enter in the date of the year of your high school graduation.
So multiply by that, right?
Yeah, and then just hit the multiplication. We're going to just who here knows their ID number by heart?
4236.
4236. Go ahead and put 4236. Yeah, so put in 4236 and hit the multiplication button.
Do I multiply it by this number first?
Hit. So this was okay. Hit the multiplication button. Yeah.
Do that again. Right?
And then just put in. What was it? 4236.
13329.
Yes. One more time. Okay.
4236.
4236. And you will just use those four numbers for now. Okay. Go ahead and hit the multiplication button.
Okay.
Don't hit equals yet. And then another ID. Just four numbers from an ID number.
1584.
1584.
Okay.
Okay, and hit multiply. And then, I know this is a little personal, but do you remember the year of your first kiss? Just a ball figure. Yeah. It's okay. No. You just type it in and hit enter. It equals.
Okay. 5 minute breath equals.
Yeah. Okay, so it should come up with a big number, and I want you to just tell me that number. Read it out like 5,350,000,000, something like that.
120 million.
So 120 million.
414,000.
414,800 and 810. There we go. 810. Okay. Does that number mean anything to you?
Yeah.
It does?
Yeah, it does.
Totally, right?
No, I'm kidding.
Okay. I put a little thing here, a message in a bottle, at the beginning of the show. And I wonder if you guys know what it actually says. So it says, live in the moment. Fast-paced go medical student studying for the next test. I got boards in a few months. That's just hanging over the head there. And I just want to tell you guys, sometimes you just got to slow down and live in the moment. Enjoy the people around you and really, take advantage of all the opportunities. We all came here tonight to see wonderful talent, and I think that was fate. We took a bunch of random numbers from different people and came up with this thing. You entered them in your phone and we multiplied them together and we got that. Now at first glance I look at that, I'm like, yeah, I don't really know what that is. You guys want to help? I don't. Yeah.
Say 10.
Yeah.